Encountering the blue screen of death or BSOD after installing the Windows 11.24H2 update, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and resolve the BSOD errors caused by the latest update. Turn off your computer by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds. Turn on your computer and as soon as the Windows logo appears, hold down the power button again to force a shutdown. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. On the third attempt, Windows will boot into the automatic repair screen. Click on Advanced Option. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Open Command Prompt. Now type the following commands. Type boot-rec/fix-mbr and press Enter. Type bootsec/nt60sys/mbr and press Enter. Type boot-rec/fix-boot and press Enter. Type boot-rec/rebuild-bcd and press Enter. Type chkdsk/f/rc and press Enter. Type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Now wait for Windows to scan for errors. Type exit and then press Enter. Press Continue to boot into Windows.